Hey folks, welcome to the 24th Isometria Devlog. In this week's episode, I'm going to talk about networking changes, updates to various objects and items in the game world and how they synchronize over the network, as well as changes to melee weapons and damage and defense. Weapons are now synchronized across the network, such that when a player swings or changes their weapon, you can see them swing their weapon. Furthermore, collision checks have been moved to the server side so that things like hitting grass with a sword are synchronized across the network as well. Potion use and other usable items in a player's hand now show their particle effects and make a sound over the network when they're used by another player. Objects such as tents and beds now are associated with players that set their spawn point using them. As you can see, Frank just set his spawn point to that tent, and now that spawn point is his. Toggleable items, such as chests, lamps, and doors, can also be toggled by a player over the network, resulting in an update that happens with that item across the network. Other things that have been done this week include improvements to bandwidth usage. I also fixed a race condition that was causing some packets to get lost as buffers were being read from and written to at the same time. I just had to implement a mutex to get that solved. But otherwise, the networking is better than ever, more stable than ever. It might not look it, but the networking in this game is closer than ever to being finished. In the coming weeks, I expect to add projectiles, enemies, and items, synchronization over the network. But for now, the big accomplishment is that entities being attacked and defending are all shared and synchronized over the network. That's it for this week, folks. I hope in the next couple of weeks I'll have this all squared away, assuming there aren't too many big gotchas. But until then, have a good week. Bye.